Despite strict regulations, the profit-driven truck industry often pushes drivers to work long, unreasonable hours that leaves their employees fatigued and distracted. Such practices enhance the dangers of the tractor-trailers these drivers operate, as their lack of focus due to sleep deprivation often leads to careless mistakes with tragic outcomes. Victims can often rely upon personal health and auto insurance policies to pay for their expenses after an accident caused by truck driver fatigue. At times, however, a victim's insurance will be unable to cover the full cost of an accident. In these cases, a victim may be able to sue an at-fault truck driver and the truck owner or employer for compensation. Proving liability. While trucking regulations may not prevent accidents, they can help to provide evidence of negligence after an accident. All truckers are required to record their activities in logbooks, and many truck companies outfit their vehicles with electronic logging devices, or ELDs, which reliably log a driver's actions. Generally speaking, both of these sources will include the following information for every 24-hour period: the number of miles traveled, the number of hours spent driving, the number of hours spent off duty, the number of hours worked in the past 7 days, and the daily inspection report. This data is a good starting point for proving negligence. Our attorneys obtain and corroborate these records with other pieces of evidence to determine if a driver has violated any number of regulations, including mandatory rest periods. Driver versus company liability. While both the truck driver and his or her company can be liable, it's more likely a suit will be filed against the trucking company. This is because under New York law, the concept of vicarious liability states that if a traffic accident was caused by an employee's negligence while acting in the scope of their employment, then the employer is held responsible as a rule. And it's usually not difficult to prove that a truck driver was acting in the scope of their employment at the time of an accident. Of course, you may need to sue a trucker as an individual, or even both the trucker and the employer. This would depend on your case's unique circumstances. If you or a loved one was injured in an accident that may have been caused by a truck driver experiencing fatigue, contact Rosenblum Law for a free, no-obligation consultation. We'll work with you to determine whether you should sue a truck company, a truck driver, or both, and walk you through the entire process from beginning to end to ensure that you receive the compensation you rightfully deserve.